Have you ever felt bloated before you even finish your first bite? You've barely started eating, and boom, your stomach feels tight, puffy, maybe even painful. Sound familiar? It's one of the most common yet frustrating things that happens during meals. And today, I'm going to show you a surprisingly simple solution that takes less than 60 seconds, works naturally, and might change the way you feel after every meal, forever. But before I share this powerful trick, let me tell you about someone who used to battle bloating daily, and how everything changed with just one slight habit shift. 1. The story of Kayla. Beating the bloat with a sip. Meet Kayla. She's 29, super active, eats relatively clean, and drinks plenty of water. But every time she sat down for a meal, the same thing happened. Bloating, pressure, discomfort. Sometimes so bad she'd have to lie down after lunch. She had tried food elimination diets, gut supplements, even skipping meals altogether, but nothing really worked. Until one day, she visited her grandmother, who made her a strange drink before dinner. It was a warm mug with a squeeze of lemon, a slice of ginger, and a few drops of apple cider vinegar. Kayla drank it because she was polite, but something happened. That night, no bloating. The next morning, still no bloat. And after doing it daily for a week, she couldn't believe how flat and calm her stomach felt, even after eating full meals. So what changed? It wasn't a detox. It wasn't a new diet. It was a pre-meal ritual, simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Let me show you precisely what's behind it. 2. Why you're bloated before you finish eating. Before we delve into the solution, let's examine the underlying cause of this issue. Bloating isn't always caused by what you eat. It's often how your body processes what you eat. Here are the real culprits. A. Low stomach acid. You need acid to break down food, especially proteins. Without enough acid, food sits longer in your stomach and ferments. B. Poor digestive signaling. If your body isn't properly primed for food, it doesn't activate enzymes and bile effectively, leading to slow, inefficient digestion. C. Gas-producing gut bacteria. Certain bacteria thrive when food isn't digested quickly. They feed on leftovers and produce. Yep, gas. D. Stress. High cortisol levels before meals can turn off digestion, keeping your stomach tight and inflamed. So even if your meal is healthy, your gut may not be ready for it. That's why the solution is about preparing your digestive system before the food even arrives. 3. The simple solution. Pre-meal digestive activator. Ready for the trick? A warm digestive tonic taken 10 to 12 minutes before eating. It's called the pre-meal elixir, and you can make it in under 60 seconds. Ingredients: 1 cup warm, not hot water, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar with the mother, a few slices of fresh ginger. Optional: a pinch of cinnamon or a few mint leaves. Directions: mix it all together. Sip slowly before your meal. Relax while you drink it. Breathe deeply. No phones. No rush. That's it. It's not fancy. However, it activates your digestive system, gently increases stomach acid, and stimulates your gut enzymes. You've essentially given your body a head start, much like preheating an oven before baking. 4. Why it works. The science behind the sip. Let's quickly unpack why this humble drink works wonders. Lemon juice stimulates bile production and mildly increases stomach acid, promotes liver detox and smooth digestion. Apple cider vinegar supports acid balance in the stomach, may help regulate blood sugar, and reduce post-meal crashes. Ginger relaxes the GI tract and reduces inflammation, improves motility. How well your gut moves food along. Mint or cinnamon calms the stomach, helps alleviate indigestion, and adds a natural flavor. Together, these ingredients turn your stomach from off-duty to ready for action. 5. Kayla's weekly bloat-free plan. Back to Kayla for a second. She didn't just drink the elixir once and expect magic. She built it into her day like brushing her teeth. Here's the plan she followed. Monday through Friday, elixir before lunch and dinner. Saturday, 1 elixir in the morning, 1 light stretch session. Sunday, a day off, unless she had a big meal planned. Result, bloating cut down by 90%. Reduced sugar cravings. Yes, really. Flat stomach in the morning and evening. And the best part, she didn't have to overhaul her diet. She just prepped her body to digest it better. 6. Extra tips to enhance the effect. Want to get even more out of your anti-bloat ritual? Try adding these minor tweaks. Sit up straight while you eat. Good posture, better digestion, and less compression on your stomach. Chew your food. Really. Aim for 20 to 30 chews per bite. Helps your body do less work in the long run. Breathe before your first bite. Just 3 slow breaths can lower cortisol and signal your body it's time to digest. Walk for 5 to 10 minutes after eating. A short stroll after meals can boost metabolism and help prevent gas buildup. Combine all this with the pre-meal elixir, and bloating doesn't stand a chance. 7. Your 7-day no bloat challenge. Want to put this into action? Here's your 7-day bloat-free challenge. Drink the pre-meal elixir once a day. Practice slow breathing before meals. Sit tall, chew mindfully, and walk after meals. Track how your belly feels after each meal. Notice changes in energy levels, hunger, and overall comfort. Most people start seeing results in 2 to 3 days, and by day 7, may feel lighter, more energized, and way more confident in their clothes. Closing. So the next time you feel bloated before your plate is even half empty, don't reach for the antacids or cancel dinner plans. Just start with a simple sip, because sometimes the solution isn't extreme. It's not a cleanse or a crash. It's just a small, consistent habit that honors your body's natural rhythm. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Stay light, stay well. See you at the next one.